Well, update on the Escort. I got the head cleaned up. Good. Of course, I'll clean it up a little bit more, but I got it cleaned up pretty good. Worked on the, not the block, I'm sorry. I'm working on the head. I got it somewhat better. It's looking like it's a lot better than it was. I'm sanding it down slowly using some of this JB Weld Extreme Heat. Anyway, I'm gonna sand it down. I don't know if I'm gonna put any more on it or not, but we're gonna put it together, see how it goes, and if it don't go well, then I'll put another engine in it. Thanks for watching.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, a more beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You